Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open notification panel here, and now just if you want to add here some options or features or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this plus icon, and now we can see all our visible icons and features, and this is this app section with invisible. Just to add some of the available buttons from this subsection, you should hold the button and after that drag it here to this down section. For example, let's add also the wireless power sharing app and the secure folder. If you want to remove some icons from here, just by the same way, you should hold it and drag it here to this app section. As you can see, that's just we have no any problems to do that. And to change their positions, you should by the same way hold it and then drag it. After that, just to save all the changes, you should click here on the right down corner to done button, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.